When you are describing shapes, if it's a symmetrical shape, remember that you're going to move both of your hands at the same time. If it is a circle, you're going to have your non-dominant hand staying in one spot and then going around back to the other. When you're describing a shape, first of all, you want to glance at it as you trace it. So let's say that I'm going to do the shape of an arrow. Okay, so I'm not going to be staring over here while I start drawing my arrow. I'm going to be looking at it, following it with my eyes to show exactly what that shape is. So I'm going to be holding the reference point. If you notice here, this is my left hand, my non-dominant hand, the one that I don't fingerspell with. So this one I'm going to place here. I could put it up here, I could put it down here. I usually choose to start at the end, which is the most common. So for this one, I'm going to leave my reference point here. And then once I trace the entire shape, then I can come back to here so you know where I started at. Also, once you have finished the shape, this one, for instance, has an M in the right bottom corner, the square part of the arrow. So with that, then I will do my whole shape and there, and then I will tap and glance at the location right there. Okay, this is going to have an M there. Okay, so I'm going to go through, hold my reference point, assign it all. Then I'm going to tap and look right there, like you got that. Okay, right there. Okay, now remember, this is on the right side. When I look at the picture, I can actually see right there is the M in the arrow. The arrow is facing this way, and I can see the M right there. So for me, I'm going to put it on my right side. So for you, when you're looking at it from this direction, when you're watching me, it will look like it's on your left side. This is your left, this is my right. So make sure that you're reversing it in your mind whenever you do it. So I would say that right here, this is the M. Okay, so you will change your head position to reference the location of the second item. So I do the whole shape, hold the reference point in there. So I turn my head, I'm tapping twice and I'm glancing at it, and then I'll put the second item, the M. Alrighty, then we move on. So let's say that we have a triangle. So you can do a triangle. You can do a parallelogram. You can do a star. You can do a moon shape. And I can do it this way. Now remember, with this, then the opening, it's turned this way, so the opening is facing my left, so I can't just draw a moon. I actually have to do it in the actual shape that it is in. Okay, have a heart. There's lots of different things that you can do whenever you have a circle one, and go from there. Keep up the good work.